Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, KGFL Creations. Today we're going to have a quick video. It's going to be the opening of my thinkpink subscription box that arrived 2 days ago, but I did not have time to open it, so we're going to open it today. As you can see, we're in a different angle here because I have a window where I have the light coming through, so I decided to kind of shift everything around. It's a bit cloudy, the sun is coming in and out, but it is enough to get some light for my video today. So let's see what's inside this box. This time the box is not crushed like the last one. It's nice and all square, no problems with the box. So yeah, this is my little box. Box number 23, this one. Okay, so let's see what's in this box. My paper scissors. I always have to take that one out because I don't use my other scissors. Ooh, okay. It says, the little card, let's face the music and dance. This one here. And as usual, it does have the code in the back for this box. Actually, this is box number 22, not number 23, number 22. And it says this month's box contains 2.5 meters of fabric. There are 2 colorways, but it doesn't say what kind of fabric it is. Fabric details can be found in the ebook. Okay. So I'm gonna have to check the ebook with the little code in the back. So yeah, it does say, let's face the music and dance. So we're gonna dance. We'll see what's in it. Oh, my box, it's a little bit, the paper here, it's a bit open. I don't know. I don't think it was open before, but it's kind of ripped, which is weird. I don't know. Well, we'll see. I'm just gonna rip this up. Rip the whole thing up because I don't have the patience to go through it. Okay. There's some snap fasteners, rust-proof brass. They're pretty big fasteners. Hope you can see it. The sun, there's a big cloud. That's the problem of filming when you're using a window to light you up. Sometimes you have good light, sometimes you don't. So little fasteners, 4 fasteners. That will be interesting. I don't know where I'm going to use it, but I'm going to save it for something. Wild Irish chocolate, salted caramel, 70% cocoa. OMG. This will be nice chocolate. I might have to hide it from other people in the house. Maybe I'll keep it here in the sewing room so I can just have it when I'm here sewing and I'm here by myself. I can just have a little piece of chocolate. And then it should last me a couple of weeks, if that works. I don't think it will. Wow, this looks good. Very, very good. This is a favorite. I love chocolate, so I'll tell that much. Drawing pins. Box number 5, drawing pins. Let's see what a drawing pin is. Oh, those are little tacks. Little tacks. I don't know where I would use this. Maybe if I had a like a bulletin board of some kind. But I can take it to the office, my desk, the whole around my desk. I could use these little things here to hang things there. So, okay, this is interesting because I don't have a bulletin board here anywhere in my sewing room. So I'll find a use for this. Or maybe I'll give it to my husband. He can use it in his garage. Wow, okay. So this is the color of the thread. So there are 2 colorways this month. So this is one of the colorways. And I do like purple, so this is interesting. Oh my. Wow. Wow. Let's throw away the box. Look at this. Isn't this nice? Wow, I think this is a viscose. Huh. Look at this. Isn't this nice? Wow, wow. This feels like a viscose. I'm gonna have to go online and see actually what the fabric is, but it is really, really, really pretty. Wow. So I guess I'm gonna have to do a dress with this one because this is 2.5 meters and it's enough for a dress. I won't be making the same dress as I did the other time, the Rhapsody. I'll find something else. Let's see what it says here on the selvage edge. Fabrics for your creativity. Yeah, that's all it says. Fabrics for your creativity. Again and again and again. So I don't know what kind of fabric this is, but I know it's pretty. I'm gonna take off my glasses because of the look at this. Really, really, really pretty. I am going to go and show it to my husband and my daughter. I'll be right back. So I went and I showed it to my daughter and she's like, wow, that's really nice. I like the color. And then I went like this, nice and open. I went like this and showed it to my husband. He's like, holy crap, that is beautiful. So they both liked it. So now I only have to decide what I am going to make with this fabric, because this is a pretty fabric. My daughter said, well, you could make a dress. So I am going to go through all of my patterns. I have them all in Trello, in a Trello account. So I'm gonna have to go through all of those and see and scroll through it and choose a pattern for this pretty, pretty fabric. And I'm going to go online and check to see what is this fabric. If it feels like a viscose, but it could be something else. I'm not sure because I'm not a fabric expert at all. Sometimes I have no idea what stuff is. So yeah, pretty, pretty, pretty. I really, really like it. So far, all my boxes have been thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. So I am very happy with the Think Pink Sewscription box. This is box number 22. So like I told you guys, this was gonna be a quick one, and I just wanted to show you what I got in the box today. All the little trinkets. The only thing I'm not sure what I'm going to do with is this little box here with these little, it says drawing pins. I think I might just take it to the office and use it there. That's the only place that I have something that I can stick these in. But these fasteners will be good. This chocolate will be gone in no time. And of course, she always sends the thread for the fabric. So this will be used with this stuff. So thank you, Andrea, for another great box. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.